you were to go on a, let's say, 3-hour flight tomorrow, it
Business
would take
as
you
a
Thailand about
teenager
5 minutes to
is
take off. Would you take it?
stupid. Don't get me wrong, but there's a reason why I'm saying this. After watching all those motivational shorts or reels on the internet, you too might have wanted to create your own business as a teenager. Well, it's not a good idea. And here's why. I'm not gonna waste your time explaining what you must do, and I'm not here to act like I have all the answers. It's all up to you. I'm just here to point out the things you should be aware of before diving in, especially if you're planning to try something serious like starting a business. First off, creating a structure. If you're even thinking about starting a business, even if it's just an unclear idea right now, you need to understand what the surface layer and the middle layer of the business. Let's break it down. Surface layer, okay? So this is the obvious part. Say you want to start a clothing business. Surface level thinking is I want to sell clothes. Yeah, so that's it. Now, here's the thing. Anyone can say that they want to sell something. That's not where the real work begins. The middle layer. This is where people either level up or give up. Now, you're asking yourself questions like, where am I gonna get the clothes from? Will I manufacture them or buy them ready made? What are my target audience? Is it going to be an online store, an offline store, or both? And many more. Like, do I need to create my own website? And how do I sell those things? Like, many more questions. Okay. So it's like going from I want to sell clothes to how do I actually build a system that sells clothes? And that's just the middle layer. I haven't even talked about the deeper layers like branding, logistics, scaling, customer retention, or some legal stuffs. So before you jump into anything, don't just think about the outcomes you want. Start asking how it actually works behind the scene. Because having a good idea isn't enough. Secondly, payments. Now let's talk reality. As a teenager, chances are you won't be able to create any official payment gateways in your own name. Why you say? Because most of these platforms like Razorpay, Stripe, PayPal require you to be 18 plus and you're a teenager. So unless your parents are down to help you out and register everything under their name, you're kinda stuck. And let's be honest, most parents aren't gonna be cool with it. Not because they don't trust you, but because they don't want you messing with legal financial stuff at a young age. It's just not how they were raised, especially if you're from a middle class background. Sure, there are exceptions. Some parents will support you, give their PAN card, credit card, create bank accounts, help you with verification, and all of that. But for the majority, especially if tech isn't their thing, they will just say, focus on your studies, do this later. So before you even think about collecting payments, just ask yourself, do I have a way to actually receive money? If the answer is no, then that's something you will have to solve before building a business. Thirdly, time. Another big one. So being a teenager feels like being stuck in a blender. You wanna earn money, you wanna learn cool stuff, you wanna have fun and enjoy life. But trying to balance all these three is not easy. Between school or college, tuition, assignments, exams, family, even scrolling through social media. Yeah, you all do that, I know. Gaming, chilling with friends. Your day is already packed. Starting a business sounds exciting, but the truth is, it takes intense consistency and time. And that's something a lot of teens struggle with, not because they're lazy, but because they're still figuring out life. Now, from this video, I don't want to demotivate you to stop thinking of you creating your own business as a teen, but it's so that you understand the basic requirement you would need. What's better to do, in my opinion, is enjoy your teen and keep learning new stuff that might help you in the future. Now, if you were gonna start a business or are trying to do one right now, it's up to you. Just keep in mind these three steps. See, I'm not an expert, it's just a video from my experiences. Yeah, I tried to make one business of my own and it failed. Anyways, that's it for this video. Like, share, and subscribe if you like this video or learn something.